As an innovation company with core competencies in the life science fields of healthcare and agriculture, we are dedicated to helping solve society's major challenges and improving people's lives. Scientific research is at the very heart of our business. In 2015 alone, we invested more than 4 billion euros in research and development, resulting in a strong pipeline of around 60 pharmaceutical projects currently in clinical development or undergoing approval procedures. In addition, our crop protection and seeds technology has peak sales potential of more than 5 billion euros for products launched between 2014 and 2019. None of that would be possible without the contribution made by our dedicated chemists. For instance, medicinal chemists working at our pharmaceuticals location right at the heart of Berlin, Germany's capital city, are key players in our oncological and gynecological research. In addition, staff at our research campus in the hilly countryside around Wuppertal, close to Cologne and Dusseldorf, are engaged in the search for cures for cardiovascular and ophthalmological diseases. Medicinal chemistry is particularly essential in the initial drug discovery phase, which can take up to 5 years. The main goal is to identify and synthesize molecules that interact with a therapeutic target in order to treat a specific disease. From a first generation of hits and optimized hit structures, right through to planning synthesis routes. But pharmaceutical drug discovery is not the only field at Bayer where chemists play an essential role. Operating from our sites in Mannheim and Frankfurt, Germany, and Lyon, France, more than 800 scientists are also engaged in small molecules research at our crop science division. They design and synthesize novel small molecules in our state-of-the-art discovery labs and produce small quantities of up to 1 kilogram at our in-house scale-up labs for field trials and toxicology studies. In addition, through innovative process research, they play a part in creating commercially viable synthesis routes. Our chemists are therefore key players in the development of new products to control disease, pests, and weeds, products that potentially benefit millions of people by improving and protecting crops. This is why we at Bayer provide our chemists with everything they need to focus on their main expertise, chemistry. However, high-tech lab equipment and state-of-the-art tools such as high-throughput screening machines for the generation of hits are not the only benefits we offer our research scientists. Every day, they are supported by a team of highly qualified technical staff who have extensive experience with experiments and handling our compounds, processes, and devices. Besides synthesizing compounds that could be used in drug and crop protection products in the future, our chemists also serve as a link to all other disciplines involved in our discovery process, such as biology, biochemistry, pharmacology, drug metabolism and pharmacokinetic studies, computational chemistry, toxicology, and environmental science, making them some of the most interdisciplinary team players in our people-centric culture. This culture is also evident in career and development opportunities at Bayer. Our researchers may be leaders as well as scientists. We have a proven track record of helping brilliant minds become experts in very specific areas of expertise, as well as providing the necessary training for those who aspire to a leadership role with greater responsibility. Besides supporting the personal development needs of our employees, we strongly encourage them to maintain a healthy work-life balance by keeping regular working hours and taking weekends off. Other benefits include our on-site sports facilities, friendly employee restaurants that encourage communication with colleagues, and nearby daycare centers for children. In a nutshell, at Bayer, brilliant researchers will find an outstanding environment where they can transform their passion to innovate into life-changing results that benefit people around the world. In other words, Bayer gives you the power to change things, in keeping with our mission of science for a better life.